First thing we want to do to get to the oil cooler gasket is we want to take this brace off, 13 millimeter. Just get this thing out of the way so we can get to the belt. Okay, so there's those bolts. Take this line off here. Pull that out. And you'll have to take this off to get that off. But anyways, and then you get to the